In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate product demonstrations in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're showcasing a new app, a sleek gadget, or a trendy piece of clothing, animating your product demonstrations can really bring your project to life. So let's dive into this tutorial step by step. First things first, let's get started by opening Canva. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, it's a user-friendly graphic design platform that's perfect for creating engaging visual content. You'll need to head over to Canva's website or open the Canva app on your device. Once you're logged in, your dashboard awaits, filled with a variety of project possibilities. Next, it's time to create a new design. On your dashboard, you should see a Create a Design button. Give that a click. A list of design types will appear, and you should scroll down until you find the video option. Select it, and a blank canvas will open up. This is where all the magic happens. Now, let's add your product visuals to the mix. You can do this by uploading your product photos, screenshots, or mock-ups directly into Canva. Look for the Uploads option on the left-hand panel. Clicking on it allows you to upload images from your computer. Simply drag and drop your visuals into the workspace. Arranging them thoughtfully on your canvas will help communicate your product's benefits effectively in the final animation. With the visuals in place, let's add some dynamic movement to your design. Click on any element that you'd like to animate. It could be an image, text, or shape on your canvas. Once selected, locate the Animate button in the top toolbar. Clicking it will reveal a menu of animation styles, from subtle fades to dynamic bounces and spins. Feel free to experiment with different effects until you find the perfect fit that complements your product's style. Animation between pages can create a seamless viewing experience, so let's not miss out on that. Click between the pages you've created, and you'll see an option to Add Transition. Transitions are great for guiding the viewer's eye and maintaining flow. Select from options such as Dissolve, Slide, or Circle. In no time, you'll create a truly engaging product showcase. Once you're satisfied with the animation and transitions, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Head to the Share button located at the top right of the screen. From there, select Download and choose the MP4 format. This will ensure your animated product demonstration is saved as a video file, ready to be uploaded to websites, shared on social media, or sent to potential clients. And there you have it, a polished, professional animated product demonstration created in Canva in just a few simple steps. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed learning how easy it is to enhance your product showcase with animation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and easy tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.